Hey, what's up? My name is Pt.1
And my name is Mr. Miller 35.
and we're gonna show you how to do the waterfall quest. This is a really fun quest. So, if you should do it if you're about level 55.
3 or something like that.
Yeah. So tell them what they're gonna need. Okay.
Okay, you are going to need 6 airs, 6 earth runes. These are all matrons. You can get them all at Rock Rune Shop, and 6 water runes. Okay, what you're gonna need is like 2 rope, which says on Rune HQ, and you're gonna need lobsters for a level 82 giants.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Um.
Okay.
Yeah.
First, you're gonna start the quest by Almira, which is behind us in the window.
Yeah. Right here. Here you'll see on the map right here. That's where he is. Okay. So
Okay. Well, this is what we're gonna do. You're gonna go behind the house, and you're gonna go on the log raft.
Yeah, this is right after you talk to her and begin the quest. Okay, so just go on the raft. Let's go.
Okay. I'm gone.
Same here.
And see how our raft broke? Now you have to talk to Hudson.
Yeah, let's talk.
He is right across from you.
Hudson. It looks like okay. Well, I'm talking to him. You can't really see it, but
As you can see, there's a lot of talking.
yeah, there's a lot of talking, so just skip right through it. Okay, now what do we need to do?
Hold on, I'm still talking with it.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. We had to talk to Haley inside a house. She's in the house, so we had to go back. So.
Okay, you see swim to rock right there? Do you think we have to do that?
Yeah.
Okay, so swim to the rock.
We're gonna swim to rock.
And I guess we fail. And
what you do is go up here.
Okay, go
and
here.
you are going to walk, and we're gonna go back to the house, and we're gonna go upstairs, which says on HQ, I think.
Okay.
Because it says inside house, talk to Haley, go upstairs and get the book called The Book of Baxter.
Okay. Well, let's go.
Is this the right place?
Yep, I think is Haley right there. Yeah, Haley.
Okay, good.
And then hello there.
And then we're gonna go upstairs, and we're gonna find the Book of Baxter.
Okay, the Book of Baxter.
Yeah, it's one of these shelves. It's I think it's probably the second one or the third or the fourth.
I'm gonna search.
Yeah, it's the second bookshelf.
Second
and you get the book of read the Book of Baxter. And it's the second shelf right here, Kevin.
Okay. Second shelf, and here's a Book of Baxtorian, and that's
yeah. Now what you're gonna do is go into the gnome tree village.
Gnome tree village.
So
So
I guess
we'll just fast forward it. Yeah. So it might take a while.
So just watch. Hold on, let me get on my map. See
where we are. Sit back and relax. It's not very far either, so okay, follow me. Yeah, not far. This is a long. It's an easy quest. It's actually a little long quest. It's pretty long. Okay, follow me, John. We gotta go to the gnome village, where I hate to go the most. We are going to have to go to East Adron this time. Oh, we're not far. I know we are. Yeah, we're not far. It's just a little long walk, actually. Hey, dude, if you want, we can put music in the background. When I edit it, we can put like music in the background. Okay. Are we still on record? Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna fast forward so it looks like we're walking really fast. I would've gone East Adron tab so you could just like get way faster, but whatever. How do you make tabs? I don't really know. I think you can't make them. If I get in from your house. Oh yeah, you can do that. I don't do that. Okay, we're in the dome. Are we in East Ardo Zone or whatever? Yeah. Okay, so we're in East Ardo. I don't know how to pronounce it, guys. So, yeah, East Ardo Drone. Yeah, down. Okay, and we're just gonna walk through here to the gnome village. Okay, so just sit back and relax again. We are gonna show you the way through the maze. It's probably my first time trying to get right through the middle. So yeah, we're gonna have to go like through there's two sides I can start from. So don't worry. This is my first time going through try to go like through it. So yeah. Yeah, if we mess up, then we'll just cut. We'll just put in our bloopers. Okay, we'll just put in our bloopers. Yeah, bloopers. Yeah. Yeah, so subscribe us, by the way. Yeah, if you don't subscribe, then we're not gonna make more videos. Yeah. Because the more subscribers, the more videos. And we don't do music videos. We might, maybe. Yeah, we're here for tutorials, but we might have some music videos, and we can help you out because in our description there's gonna be our Skype, and you can just talk to us through Skype. And I'm talking to Dylan through Skype, so yeah. It is a lot easier. So you can buy a PS3 headset, a Logitech, and it's a lot simple. Yeah, it's a lot more simple when you just get a headset. And okay, as you see that we went past the monkey cages and stuff. What you're gonna do when you get past the right side, you're just gonna slightly walk south east a little bit. South of east. And you should head to the I think the gnome tree village. Yeah, gnome tree village. Okay. You're gonna go through like a little town up here. One of our next videos will probably be Fight Arena. Because you done that, Kevin. You started it. Oh yeah, I started it, but I started all the quests and I don't finish them. I don't know why. Yeah, I only have done a little bit of it. I had to do it for another video a long time ago. Okay. It is a little walk to the gnome tree village, so if you're like lazy, you should just buy a tab and just go to East John and walk from there. Because I do not like walking that far. Okay, now we are like passing a little house. And you should go past the little place. Oh crap. We gotta go right. Forgot about that. Looks a little far off. Oh yeah, and you can get a whole bunch of bushes, like fruits I think in here or something like that. I think yeah, you get like not run. I probably could get berries. Okay. Let's see. You'll go right behind the beer place. And what you'll do is you probably will walk through west side. Let's see. NXT didn't give us a side, but there's only two sides, so let's see. Okay. We're gonna walk through here. Yeah, let's go through the maze. This is gonna be fun. Yeah, if you mess up, we are sorry. Okay, see, we are on the right, good side, so it won't take so long. Yeah. Oh, crap.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
Mhm.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay.